Getting out into the wild is what it's all about. But, we can't be out there all the time. Life, work, family. This is where a good cellular trail camera becomes your best friend. It's like having a scout in the woods 24/7, sending you updates right to your phone. These devices have completely changed the game for hunters and anyone who loves watching wildlife. You no longer have to wait weeks to pull an SD card, only to find you missed the buck of a lifetime by a few days. Instead, you get real-time information that helps you understand animal patterns, scout new areas, make smarter decisions about when and where to hunt. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Coming in at number 4 is a camera that's all about reliability and performance without a crazy price tag. The Browning Defender Pro Scout Max, priced at around $100, is a true workhorse. Browning has a long-standing reputation for building quality gear. This camera is no exception. It's built tough to handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it, freezing rain, scorching summer heat. The main reason it makes our list is its simplicity and consistency. It just works. It captures crisp 24-megapixel photos. Moving up to our number 3 spot is the Tactacam Reveal X-Pro. Priced around $130, this camera has become a favorite for a very specific reason: its exceptional video performance. While most cellular cameras are primarily designed for sending photos to save data, the Reveal X-Pro is built for those who want to see the whole story. It can send high-definition video clips with sound directly to your phone, which is a massive advantage. Hearing a buck grunt or a turkey gobble, it gives you a much better sense of animal behavior than a still photo ever could. The features that make the X-Pro a video powerhouse are clear. It records in crisp 720p HD, and the audio quality is surprisingly good. You can request HD videos directly from the app, so you don't have to go out to the camera to pull the SD card to see the good stuff. Our runner-up for the best cellular trail camera of 2025 is the Cuddeback TRACKS, which comes in at about $100. Cuddeback has been an innovator in the trail camera industry for years, known for their blazing fast trigger speeds. What sets this camera apart and earns it the number 2 spot is its unique ability to create its own private network. One camera with a cell plan can act as a home base, and you can link up to 15 other remote Cuddalink cameras to it. This is a game changer for scouting large properties. They communicate with each other, forming a chain. This saves you a massive amount of money on data plans. It boasts an incredible quarter-second trigger speed, including a no-glow infrared model that is completely invisible to animals. And now, for our top pick. The best cellular trail camera for 2025 is, without a doubt, the Moultrie Edge Pro. Priced at approximately $157, this camera takes the number 1 spot because it does everything exceptionally well. It combines fantastic image and video quality, cutting-edge smart technology, and unmatched ease of use into one perfect package. The first thing that sets the Edge Pro apart is its false trigger reduction technology, powered by on-device AI, dramatically cutting down on useless photos. It captures stunning 36-megapixel photos and brilliant 1080p HD video with sound. It features auto-connect technology, automatically scanning for and connecting to the strongest cellular network, regardless of carrier.